Three candidates have filed a joint lawsuit against the Bibb County School Board and the Board of Elections for planning to use outdated district maps in the July 31st primary. 41 NBC's Ashley Minnelli has been following this story. She joins us now with a breakdown of the lawsuit and reaction from the plaintiffs.
This is a case where political party doesn't matter. Candidates for the Bibb County School Board, Lester Miller and Brenda Sutton, joined candidate for Bibb County Commission Gary Bechtel to bring their case to a federal court judge. They say they just want the people of Bibb County to be properly represented. Candidate for the Bibb County School Board, Lester Miller, says it doesn't matter what side of the political spectrum you sit on. The law is the law.
I can't just sit by and wait for things to happen because we all know what Bibb County is going to do. If you don't sit back and force the issue, they're going to use the old maps, and I believe they're unconstitutional.
Miller, along with Bibb County School Board candidate Brenda Sutton and sitting board member Gary Bechtel, filed a lawsuit against the Bibb County School District, the Macon-Bibb County Board of Elections, and its sitting executive director. The three are requesting the defendants requalify candidates for the school board elections under the newly approved maps, signed into law by Governor Nathan Deal and approved by the Department of Justice.
They needed to be put in place. It's an effort to preserve the one man, one vote.
That's not the case under the old maps. According to the reapportionment formula used by the Middle Georgia Regional Commission, the target population per district in Bibb County is 25,925 people. The 2010 census shows that District 2 is underpopulated by about 2,600 and District 4 is overpopulated by about 2,300. Sutton says if getting this issue squared away means holding the primaries at a later date, that's fine by her.
As long as the people get an opportunity to use their voice, then I'm comfortable with whatever the courts decide for us to do, and I will adhere to that.
I believe it's a win-win situation for Bibb County. I think finally we're going to have people that know that there's people that's just not going to stand by and let things happen.
Because these three just want to make sure your voice isn't lost in the crowd. In Bibb County, Ashley Minnelli for 41 NBC News.
And 41 NBC first told you about this issue back in May when the Board of Education had to decide which maps to use for qualifying. Executive Director of the Board of Elections, Elaine Carr, said she left it up to the board to decide because the Department of Justice hadn't approved the new maps at that time. We've reached out to the attorney for the school district and Elaine Carr with the Board of Elections, but have not heard back. A federal judge is set to hear this case on Friday morning.